What's good, YouTube? This video about how to buy crypto using crypto.com. So this crypto.com, this is what their interface look like. You can buy NFTs on here too. And constantly making updates. You got missions up here in the top corner. So these missions, you can basically come in and check in every day and get diamonds. And then they got a store here. You can get NFTs if you stack up on these diamonds. Or you can buy these little mystery boxes where you get free crypto. So I'm about to show y'all that real quick. So for 5 more diamonds, I gotta buy at least $20 worth of crypto. So I'm gonna come over here and show y'all how to buy crypto. You click buy, pick any crypto you like, add in your debit card or credit card, payment method, Google Pay, Apple Pay, however you want to do it, and then type how much you want. So we want $20, about $20 worth. Alright, now we got that. Now we bought $20 worth of Litecoin. We got our 5 diamonds. Alright, now we got 26, so let's go over here to the store. Get us some free crypto. And then for 25 diamonds. And you receive 5 crypto coins. Yeah. We'll try that. Alright. And you can come down here and earn more diamonds by doing these other little things they got. So that's how you buy crypto on here. And if you were to try to send crypto, sell your crypto, you basically hit sell and sell the crypto that you just had. And if you wanted to send your crypto, you'll click the crypto icon, go to your crypto wallet, and then you want to click transfer. So you click transfer. If you wanted to say you're making a withdrawal from the broker or something, you want to click deposit on here so that you can get the address to send the money back to crypto.com. So if I was to want to take this money out and send this to my exchange, I'll click withdraw and click external wallet. Then you click the plus sign in the top right corner, click wallet address. After you click wallet address, you want to go to crypto that you got, that you're trying to send over. Get the address that they're giving you from your exchange. Take that in there, add that, go ahead and withdraw. So that's basically crypto.com, man. Yeah, so if you want to get started and buy some crypto to add to your live account, you can click the link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.